Proficy software empowers industrial enterprises to modernize more quickly, reduce operational and maintenance costs, and gain a competitive edge in demanding industrial markets by enabling unmatched scalability, enterprise flexibility, centralized standardization, and seamless system integration across large facilities and multi-plant operations. I'm Chad Smith, and today I'm going to share how Proficy SCADA helps industrial enterprises like yours achieve enterprise scale faster and more efficiently so you can stay ahead of demanding markets. Discover the power of GE Vernova's manufacturing automation product portfolio featuring two robust, time and industry tested SCADA engines designed to meet your enterprise SCADA needs. Proficy SCIMPLICITY is engineered for speed and scale. Multi-process, change-based point and alarm engines are ideal for large-scale manufacturing and automotive applications. SCIMPLICITY's powerful event and scripting engines allow for ultimate flexibility and extensibility. Proficy iFix is perfect for small to mid-sized distributed applications. It excels in pharmaceutical and utilities markets, offering reliable and flexible solutions tailored to your needs. Proficy SCADA solutions empower seamless growth from a single node to a multi-site enterprise system. Enhance your SCADA HMI projects by utilizing model and template-based configuration to define things once and reuse multiple times, enabling standardized deployment and quick adjustment, maintenance, and additions to your SCADA HMI projects. Working together with the rest of the Proficy portfolio brings a seamless level of integration with other key industry functions, including web-based visualization with Operations Hub, extensive device and driver connectivity, including the latest protocols like MQTT and OPC UA, alarm and data historization in the Proficy Historian, analytics with Proficy CSense, along with batch, tracking, and reporting capabilities. Consider a couple of customer examples. One large automotive customer was able to use the model-based capabilities built into SCIMPLICITY to templatize and automate their project development and deployment in a standard way across multiple plants, decreasing the time to do maintenance, upgrades, and project updates. Another enterprise-scale pharma customer using our iFix SCADA HMI was able to improve their data integrity to 100% across its entire portfolio of machines, thus delivering maximum reliability, traceability, quality, and compliance, which is essential in this regulated environment like life sciences. What's the takeaway? Proficy software helps enterprises modernize faster and gain a competitive edge with unmatched scalability, flexibility, standardization, and integration. Discover how GE Vernova's Proficy software can drive results for your business. Visit our website or contact us to learn more.